It's a 2015 Cadillac ATS Coupe. A fiercely spirited performer with style to spare, this ATS Coupe is anything but ordinary. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. External memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, active grille shutters, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, auxiliary audio input, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Canadian Driver reports the steering feel and response is second to none in its class. Yes, it's just that good. The car grips in the corners better than a compact luxury sedan should, and felt very neutral when I was tossing it around the handling course. Cadillac is driving the world forward. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.